Nikhil Nair. Toastmaster Nikhil Nair, if it is to be, it is up to me. If it is to be, it is up to me. Toastmaster Nikhil Nair.
Contestant, fellow Toastmasters and guests, good evening. If it is to be, it is up to me. This is something that just tells you how important you are and how responsible you are to be for your action. This is similar to something that said, I think, therefore I am. That's a quote by René Descartes who said that whatever you think or whatever you want to achieve is something that will happen. And for something to happen, it is only you who are responsible. Now, what we often see is that people say that man proposes, God disposes. There are a lot of things where people want to leave things to uncertainty, luck, and things like that. But I believe that it is only people who can change things. They might sound crazy when they start off. They might sound like people who are insane, but there are people who change things, and it's only through people, it's only through inspiration that things change. Now, one thing that I probably can relate to is the time when I was in college and I was head of sponsorship. It was a time it was about 2 months and we had to raise a lot of money. That's the time that I stepped up and said, okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to make it happen. And I didn't know how. I had no resource, I had no team, but I said, let's make this happen. And it was through that passion and that dedication where I said, I have to make this happen, where it didn't matter about how much of money we raised, but it was the amount of effort that we put in to make that happen. It was 30 of us who finally gathered with that same commitment and that same passion that made it happen. The fest finished, and only a week later did I realize when my teacher told me that we had doubled the amount of money that we expected to raise. So it is only if people say that they want to get there and they take responsibility for their action will they ever get there. Otherwise you can keep blaming things for never happening, saying, I wanted to get here, it never happened, luck played a factor, somebody else got the job. Life can go on like that. But it's up to you to say, the buck stops here. I'm taking charge and I'm going to make it happen. And that's the only way we can make a difference.